Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a really nice property that's been completely rebuilt from the ground up. This house had a tree fall on it. The roof was caved in. There's nothing on this house. It was unscathed. So it's practically like buying a brand new house. So let me share a screen from the website. If you don't know about the May Investment Summit, this is a time where I bring past investors back to Memphis for a homecoming. Some investors that have not purchased from us but are definitely fully qualified and working with one of our preferred lenders, set up to succeed in the process and systems we have in place. So we've already sold 32 tickets. There's a few remaining. The 2020 Memphis in May Investment Summit coming up in a few months. So today we're going to talk about 3957 Brookmead Street. This house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car carport home in a B- area. And let's dig into that a little bit better. So from downtown Memphis, and there's St. Jude, as you drive north past Frazier, this little house in 3957 Brookmead Street, just west of that huge white rectangle, which is Nike's North American logistics hub, where every shoe, every piece of apparel, every piece of equipment that's made in China or Honduras, brought to Memphis, stored here, and then shipped out to North America. The crime map on this property is relatively good. We've got the lowest shade of blue on the crime map, so it's not a high crime area. The scope of work on this property is immense. You can imagine, since we rebuilt the house, what all is included here. Let's go through the bottom section, which is very important. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,200 square feet, new AC, 3-year-old water heater. So a lot of life left on that water heater, right? New furnace, new roof. So I love seeing new. That means very little maintenance for my investors in moving forward. In the diligence vault, we put a sample purchase and sale agreement, so you can browse through that and know what that would look like. Let's see here. We also have a lot of photos. So we even have some drone footage on this house. I like the drone footage because it's showing us that there are no trees nearby that are overhanging the roof. Not a tree in sight, actually. Big corner lot, meaning that you only have one neighbor. So let's see here. We go through these photos. Get your drone footage, brand new roof. New cedar shutters have been installed. That blue paint, what they call it tiger blue. Our Memphis Tigers color is blue and gray. And a lot of you football fans might know that because they made it pretty far this year. Check out this bathroom. Custom tile job up past the shower head. New toilet, new vanity, decorative mirror, new light fixtures, new tub. Beautiful kitchen with some granite countertops, stainless steel sink, white cabinets, backsplash tile in the kitchen as well. Refinished hardwood floors throughout, new light fixtures, mini blinds on all the windows, gray walls, white trim. This house looks like it's brand new. So feel free to go on the website. All these pictures are available to all of you guys. What does it look like to buy a house with us? From the website, you click the button that says order now, and you simply fill out this survey. We need your email address, your first and last name, so on and so on. When you finish filling out this document, our contract administration team will send you all the paperwork. You'll wire your earnest money to our closing attorney. 30 to 45 days later, you'll be buying the house. By that time, we'll have a tenant in this home, paying rent, and be cash flow positive from day one. Foundation property management. This is probably the most important thing I can talk about today, because anybody can buy a property, renovate, and sell it to an investor, but it's the management moving forward, your boots on the ground that handle all operations moving forward. Foundation property management was founded with one core value in mind of our 5 core values, but the main core value, we manage properties for our investors as if they were our own. So every tenant that's placed, any repair that's made, everything, we look at it as that asset is ours. And we take this very seriously. So once again, I'll touch on the Memphis in May event. It's the Investment Summit for 2020, 4th year in a row. We have some brand new homes built as rentals. If you're interested in a more passive income, properties that are going to appreciate, here's a property in East Memphis in the #1 school district in town, only $247,000. We have some entry-level homes at $65,000 and up. So a huge inventory. Most of the turnkey providers you've spoken with, they have a problem. They don't have much inventory. We're doing everything that is necessary to keep a strong inventory so that when you're ready to invest, we have multiple options, not just one or two. Appreciate your time today. If you have any questions, please reach out to the team. We want to be a catalyst to help you achieve your real estate investment goals in the coming years. Thanks and have a good day.